Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start a corporation with MyCorporation, detailed guide step by step clearly. To start a corporation with MyCorporation, first, visit the MyCorporation website. Begin by selecting the Incorporate option from the homepage. Choose the type of corporation you plan to form, such as an S corporation or a C corporation. Next, select the state where you wish to incorporate your business. Fill out the required information about your business name. Ensure that your desired name complies with state regulations. Once you finalize your business name, proceed to fill in the necessary details about your corporation. Provide the address for your business, including both mailing and physical locations. Next, designate your corporation's registered agent. This person or service will be responsible for receiving legal documents on behalf of your corporation. Continue by listing the names and addresses of the initial directors. You will typically need a minimum of one director. Now, list the number of shares your corporation will issue. You may also want to specify the par value for these shares if applicable. After completing the corporation details, review everything to ensure accuracy. Once confirmed, submit your application and pay the associated filing fees. MyCorporation will then file your paperwork with the appropriate state agency. After your application is approved, you will receive your articles of incorporation. This document serves as the official record of your corporation's existence. Next, set up your corporate bylaws to outline how your corporation will function. You may also need to obtain an employer identification number, or EIN, from the IRS. This number is essential for tax purposes and is often required for opening a business bank account. Consider setting up a business bank account in your corporation's name. This keeps your personal and business finances separate. Finally, ensure you stay compliant with state and federal regulations by keeping your corporate records up to date. Congratulations, you have successfully started your corporation with MyCorporation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.